Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Infinix model and current Android/XOS version. This prevents installing the wrong package. Once done, back up your important data to Google Drive or an SD card and charge the phone to at least 50%. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid corruption. Then open Settings, Right Arrow System, Right Arrow Software Update, or the XOS Update app, and tap Check for updates to begin the official OTA check. You'll now download the OTA package. Free up 3 to 5 gigabytes of internal storage first so the installer has room. Once you tap Download, keep the phone plugged in and on Wi-Fi. Interruptions can corrupt the file. The system performs integrity checks automatically. Do not cancel or reboot mid-download. If prompted, read the changelog and accept. When the download completes, the device will prepare the package and schedule installation, which may take several minutes. You install the update and allow the phone to reboot. It will perform system optimization after the upgrade, which can take several minutes. Once the home screen appears, go to Settings, Right Arrow About Phone to confirm the new Android and XOS version and check that your apps work. If the device won't boot or you hit errors, try wiping the cache partition from recovery first. If problems persist, avoid third-party tools, use an official reflash service, or contact Infinix support for a safe restore.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.